Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Express as a video editor. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express and you wanted to use it as a video editor, just click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express includes a user-friendly video editor for creating and editing videos with ease. But let me tell you that some of the tools and options here are quite limited. And if you want to have an in-depth video editing tools, you might want to go for the apps and choose Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software that you might find it very extensive. But of course, we will try to achieve basic editing options here using this amazing platform. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. But if you want to browse thousands of amazing designs to begin your work, you might want to go for here. But in my case, you see there is a video template already done here. Click that. Doing that will lead you to the canvas, and you can search thousands of amazing videos to begin your work, right? You have like 472 results. Now, maybe, just maybe, all right, let's try to see what we got here. How about we start this photographic travel video, all right? You can add as pages or start a new file. But for now, we're going to click the first option. And to see from here, the layers are all stacked together, right? If you click on the layers right here, we have like first, second, third, fourth, and until like this. Now, I'm going to customize all of this right here. This is going to be Deep Labs, which is our YouTube channel. So you have a separate video on how to add or use the brand section here. You might want to check that on our channel, but basically I'm going to add our logo for all the entirety of the video centered here. Now here, I'm going to add the photo here, send it to backward, just so you guys can see it. Now, you can also change some of the elements here. For example, add a video. Maybe wait for it to load. Maybe this, since drag it here, just around here, and kind of like send it to backward. Same goes here. Maybe we can add another videos. For example, this one right here. This amazing sign. Set it to backward. We're gonna delete this one again. Go to the videos as well. Maybe this one. So we have all these together. Now, I'm gonna send it to backward one more time. This I'm going to make it like a white color kind of thing, and add an outline. Increase the thickness so you guys can see it. Bring it to font so it's a lot noticeable. A little bit bigger. There you go. Now, you might want to choose the show layer timing here and add an audio if you want. You can upload your own device from your computer. For example, you're a musician or a singer or composer or an artist. You can upload your own track or music here by clicking on this button. If you want to record your voiceover, you might want to choose some of the start recording, right? We have a separate video on how to record your voice here. Once you have finalized the recording, click this button right here to finish it. Once you do that, All right, you can put in the fade in and fade out or in and out. So you have all these. You can also decrease the voiceover. But if you want to upload another maybe an audio for the background music, say for example, just lost everything, put it here, and you can again put in the fade in and during and how long is going to be the fade in duration and the fade out as well. You can maximize all of these and the fade in and out. You have all these options. After that, you might want to put in an animation effect to your videos. Say, for example, you can just browse to any of these: bungee, drift, drop, spin, slide. Once you get familiar with these limited animation to make your design elements look cooler, all right, you can do so. For example, blur. You can also put in the in and the out, grayscale, and you can basically go for the random of things here, animation, spin and drop. And for the photo, you can also add an animation as well, maybe drop. Once you have that set in place, you might want to click the play button to see if the elements have blended well together. And again, Adobe Express is creating a very basic design tools for you so you can post your video directly to social media platforms or send a link. All right, you can play with effects and transitions to make your video unique. And again, we have a separate video on how to use brands to incorporate that to your video or any design that you wanted, especially with in terms of your logo to make it consistent. Although Adobe Express is kind of limited in terms of video editing, but for a simple showcase, that will do the job. All right. Once you are happy with how it looks, you now have the option to click on the download button. You might want to choose the MP4, and by doing so, when you click on the download section, you have all of these options for the video resolution. If you want to share this amazing design to your client, maybe just click the copy link, send it to the invited people to access this graphic design that you have created. But if you want to share this to multiple people, say for example, you're working with team members, you might want to copy that link or save it to your cloud as a backup data, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. And again, you can also share this amazing design to your social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and WhatsApp and Snapchat. All right. As you can see, make sure that you keep your videos concise to maintain audience attention, save time by leveraging professionally designed templates. And again, once again, go to the brand so you can add your logo, brand colors to create a consistent look. It's very easy, really. And if you go to the homepage here, go to the web apps and services, click the view all apps. You will be given a lot of options to the apps that you have access to. If you wanted more intricate tools for you to edit your videos, you might want to go for the Premiere Pro. All right, edit and craft polished films and videos. Or you might want to go for the Premiere Rush, wherein you can create and share online videos anywhere. So you have all of these. Because again, Adobe Express is kind of limited in terms of the options that you can do and play around with. All right. But even if you have limitations, you can work around with their creativity. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.